Hey man, this Wavy Wayne, and you watching Knowledge That Kills. Namm edition.
Turn the beat up, kill shot. We finna kill this one.
Everybody go to Namm, bro. Namm 2022.
Yes, sir.
Boom! Kill shot, kill shot, kill shot, kill shot.
About to go drive down to LA from Vegas.
Bussin'. Oh, they got cherry spray? Yeah, we'll get that up. Y'all Knowledge That Kills, Namm edition.
Baines come in, Tizio, I need to see that tap though. Oh, well, let me get a pic of that for the socials. Come Look at the tattoo, bro. It's the tattoo right here. My guy got the tattoo.
Yeah, man.
My guy right here.
You know, if it's real, it's tatted on you.
Tell my name on you, girl.
Hi, my name is Yurko, Anaheim, California. Namm show with my man Kill Shot. We're checking it out. And you want to see my bow tie? Okay, see the bow tie.
Ah, yeah.
Stainless steel with the faders and the name too.
The VIP auto tuning party. We're here in Anaheim, California. It's 2022 Summer Namm. Let's get it, let's get it. What's up, yo? We're here in Burbank, California. This is after Namm Day 1. We're about to go to the Dolby Atmos Augsburger setup. It's at a little studio out here. It's a private event. Y'all are gonna get the full behind the scenes, the first look into Dolby Atmos Augsburgers, how they're gonna work. Let's get it.
We're over here at Sonic Capital Studios where we have our very first Augsburger Atmos mixing system that you're going to get to preview. And we have this incredible space that our client put together that's both an event space, a live room, and this great mixing room back there that I think is going to blow a few people's minds. It's got that Augsburger sound all around you.
What's up? Where we at?
What's poppin', y'all? We're here at Studio B3. We're finna visit Earco. We're at the Wavy Wayne Earco Namm party. Let's get it. This bitch is literally silent.
Check it. So tell me this, bro. Are you saying that this is a studio that if Kanye wanted to make an album tomorrow, he would come over here and record it over here?
That's exactly what I'm saying.
Kill Shot. I'm trying to brother, man. All right. Hey, man, what's up?
Hey, how's it going?
How's it going? Hey.
Shadar.
Yeah.
Do you do like a YouTube podcast? I think I just watched your Tizio one.
Oh, word. Dope.
Yeah.
We in it right now.
I learned a lot.
Right, wait till you hear these Augsburgers.
this is all for tracking stuff. Like my whole mixing happens in that case.
Where do you put the weight from?
To give a little bit more weight to the box so that it doesn't rock forward and back. Yeah, the other one is in
Should it be? Is that open?
Yeah, that's it. So that's actually the down the computer file.
You have C under maybe? Two.
How long did it take you to set up this place?
He said, yeah, too.
Yeah.
I knew you'd have it. 100%.
6 years from vision to today.
I'm trying to tell the new generation this shit ain't easy, man. You can't just chuck it on SoundCloud now. Like, fucking gotta put it work in. Like. Well, it's funny, people is like, oh yeah, I've got a day job, but I want to be a producer. It's like, I've got like 2 hours, like, is that enough? It's like, nah, that's not enough, bro. You need to make like 30 beats a month.
I'm a fan, man, and I've been watching your content and stuff like that too. So like, heck yeah, of course. So just pick your brain on stuff and just like, you just get you on my channel and stuff like that. Like just legit guys like you. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Devon Terrell from Help Me Devon, as well as being an artist. Right now, we're at Urko's studio in LA. Just linked up with Killshot, which I love. And I've had a few conversations with him. I'm trying to just pick his brain on what he got going on. And right now we're on Knowledge That Kills Namm Edition.
We just hit 3 parties in a row. Pulled up over at the House of Blues for the Auto-Tune VIP. We pulled up in Burbank for the private Augsburger Dolby Atmos. And we also pulled up in Pasadena. We visited Studio Beat 3 with Irko and Wavy Wayne. We out here getting it. Tune in tomorrow for day 2 of Namm. We finna kill it.
Yo, what's good? It's Nico Ham. We here at Namm, repping Killshot, Knowledge That Kills, the channel that knows best.
It's Namm day 2. Let's get it, let's get it.
My name is Reed Stefan, realest puppet in the game at the Namm Show 2022, and this is Knowledge That Kills Namm Show Edition.
Chris Godby here hanging at Namm 2022, yeah. With my buddy Killshot from Knowledge That Kills. And yeah, work myself. Yeah, I mean, that's a tough one. What do I personally bring to it? I offer the least path of resistance as possible. Because a lot of times when that's happening, those are things that are happening that are well outside of my purview of control. So if I can get the artist happy with the headphones and recording into the mic and happy with what they're doing, then I'm doing my job. And on all the other creative stepped on parts, I'll let some other people handle that.
Oh, I'm telling everybody the secret. You know, that's why they like me, I guess. It's the only way I can get people like this to tell them something. Killshot tells me that you know everything.
Bing bang, bing bing bing. What's up, baby? Bing bang, bing bing bing. Hey yo. Bing bang, bing bing bing. What's up, baby?
Say hello. How's it going?
Stand up, she's
Here's Killshot. What's up?
I can't wait to see, how far you're gonna take this. I know you're about to explode, so I'm glad I got you now.
We have headrest speakers up front, all the height speakers, 4 of those, and then 6 woofers throughout the car to create very even bass. With those amount of speakers, is you can really create consistent sound stage in each seat.
First rule is don't touch the screens or the knobs. Second rule is sit back and relax.
Get down. 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 Get down.
Yo, what's poppin', y'all? This is Namm day 3. We're getting ready to leave the hotel. We're headed up to LA. Let's get it.
Get down. Get down.
How's it going? Oh.
You gonna take us back to the day with 24 track count maximum?
It's going back to the future. No, but this is our this is when we all get together for better.
This is like so many sick records I made.
At Bob Horn's after party, Namm Day 3. It's over.
Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow. So what are you waiting for? Just do it!